In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically share your Facebook page posts to your story. This is a simple setting that helps your content show up at the top of the Facebook app, giving your posts a second life without any extra work. Stories are prominent, quick to view, and last 24 hours, so this can boost your visibility and engagement with almost no effort. First, make sure you're on your Facebook business page and that you're logged into an account with permission to manage the page, such as an admin or editor. From your page, head into Settings. On desktop, you'll typically find Settings in the left sidebar near the bottom of the menu. On mobile, you may need to open the menu and choose Settings and Privacy, then Settings, and navigate to your page settings from there. The location can vary slightly depending on Facebook's layout, but the goal is the same. Open your page's settings area. Once you're in Settings, look to the left-hand menu and click Posts. This section controls how your page handles publishing preferences and related options. It's where Facebook groups a few time-saving toggles so you can automate parts of your workflow. Inside the Posts settings, find the option labeled Always Share Posts to Story. Toggle this switch on. If you see a prompt asking you to confirm, go ahead and confirm. That's it. No extra configuration is needed. This setting won't retroactively share old posts, but from this point forward, every new post you publish on your page will also appear as a story automatically. Here are a few helpful notes. Your posts will still publish to your page as usual. The story is simply an additional automatic placement. Stories are vertical and often crop differently than the feed, so use images that look good in a vertical frame and keep your captions concise. Scheduled posts are supported too. The story will publish at the same time the post goes live. If you manage multiple pages, repeat this setting for each page individually, because preferences don't carry over. And if you change your mind later, just return to the same posts section and toggle the setting off at any time. If you don't see the Posts option in the left menu, try updating the Facebook app or switching to a desktop browser and double-check that you're viewing the correct page with the right permissions. To recap, open your page's settings, select Posts, and turn on Always Share Posts to Story. With that one switch, every new post gets extra exposure with zero extra steps.